So we got such a good response on the video showing the workshop, the last one I posted on YouTube. I thought I would show you the project which was in the van at the time, which we're now installing. I'm doing this today with the help of Jamie Jackson over here of Jackson Woodworks up in Barnsley. There he is. Very skilled fitter. We're learning stuff off each other. We're doing a bit of a skill swap today. So he's helping with this fit and I'm going to teach him some skills on Sketchup which he uses for his design. What I find quite interesting working with Jamie is my method for fitting the countertop, which I've done a video of. I'll put the link in the comments below, in the description below I should say. Jamie has a different, and I must admit, in many ways better method, where he's made this this scribing template from little bits of, what was it, 3mm cardboard, yeah, just glue gun together. So you can see how that works, but he's got a very tight fit with the template, which he can then transfer to the countertop. Here's the drawings. These are the kind of drawings that we sent to site. And this is a bit of a test run. Jamie's helping me fit, and so I can see how he finds interpreting the drawings that we've always just worked with in-house. So here's downstairs, which I'll run you down to in a minute. That's a simple set of CD and DVD shelves. So here's one of the units. Now I made a miscalculation here because I can't get this one down the stairs. But it's okay because it's a quick disassembly using these Conformat screws that we tend to favour these days. That one almost fitted but just wouldn't turn at the bottom. The other one, which is just a little narrower, just went in, so we took that down, reassembled, and I'm partway through fitting that now. The other one will go here. So we're all finished here. I'll show you a photo of the one upstairs as well. And now we're going on to another job, which is a classic alcove installation. So I'm working with Jamie on 3 types of alcoves with this. That's why I brought him in today, so I can show him the way we do 3 different types. You've got your basic bookshelves, your modern alcoves upstairs in this house, then the classic alcoves, which I'll show you next. So we're at this other property now, just near the Botanical Gardens in Sheffield, just off Ecclesall Road, and we've got a classic pair of alcoves with painted internals now, similar construction to the other ones, but a little bit more embellished. Just cutting out for the sockets on that one. So I'll show you some more photos or videos as it develops. We painted the insides of the base cabinets of this project on the customer's request. We finished this installation off over the 3rd day. Worth mentioning that this was our last project using Johnston's acrylic eggshell, which we used for many years. We moved from rollering to spraying that, and we've now moved to spraying a Movac paint product, a Sayalac product, which we find levels off very well, and that's what we used for the other 2 jobs that you've seen in this video. If there's anything else you'd like me to talk about based on what you've seen, feel free to comment and I may just do a video on it. Thanks for watching.